Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure sales with eBay Partner Network, full guide step by step clearly. To secure sales with the eBay Partner Network, start by signing up for an account. Visit the eBay Partner Network website and click on the sign up option. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various tools available, including banners and links. Choose products or categories relevant to your audience. Generate affiliate links for these selected products. Incorporate these links within your content organically. Create engaging content that showcases the products. Consider writing reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles. Optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility. Share your content on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Utilize email marketing to promote your affiliate links directly. Monitor your performance through the analytics provided in your dashboard. Make adjustments to your strategy based on what content performs best. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage click-throughs. Stay updated with eBay promotions to leverage extra earning opportunities. Continuously learn from successful affiliates and adapt their strategies. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates. As your traffic grows, consider using paid advertising to boost visibility. Ensure compliance with eBay's guidelines and policies throughout. Maintain transparency with your audience about affiliate partnerships. Track your conversions and earnings regularly to measure success. Refine your approach based on data-driven insights and feedback. Commit to consistent content creation for sustained growth. Patience and persistence will be key in your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.